match, scheduled for one fall.
Is Enzo Amore, and I am a certified G and a bona fide stunt, and you can't teach that. And this right here, this is Big Cass, and he's 7 foot tall, and you can't teach that. Bada boom! Realest guys in the room, how you doing? Detroit, Michigan! How you doing? It's going down like a hole in the ground tonight here in Motown. And my boy G Rabbit is about to spit some fire for you. Who wants some fire? We are in Detroit, aren't we? Well then. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Enzo Amore. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Enzo Amore. And as for our opponents, they like to do it the old-fashioned way. So you know what I say? Bomb with the bottle, bang the bang, diggy diggy. I'm more Tupac, Cass is more Biggie. And there's about to be a beatdown in Detroit, Rock City. You wanna come out here claiming you're manly? Well, me and Big Cass are going for the cup like Stanley. That's because we're as fly as some Detroit Red Wings. Bada boom, bada bing, you know the pain we bring. And when we do it in style. And I'm walking out of here the same way I walked in, with leopard print and a Cheshire Cat smile. Cause we have no problem dragging the vaudevillains every square inch of 8 Mile. Enzo channeling is into Eminem, and as for the vaudevillains, there's only one